Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to the brand new nice device, Apple iPad Pro. M5 from 2025. This iPad Pro is power. Because of the M5 chip, furiously fast. That's the next giant leap for AI on iPad. And it works with iPad Operating System 26. This is a powerful redesigned, game-changing capabilities. And we do more with Apple Intelligence. From image wand to live translation. All is possible. And Ultra Retina XDR, the world's most advanced display, extreme bright and precious contrast. However, sleek, lightweight design for ultimate portability. Sportability you can have too, and versatility. It's only 5.1mm thick, and we have advanced features and a comfortable typing if you buy the Magic Keyboard on top. Impressive creative control with the Apple Pencil on top if you need it and you like it. Okay, let's have a look. It is on the market in white. No, it's a silver and space black. And the M5 is a creator and an accelerator. Because the M5 chip push the limits of what's possible on iPad Pro to drive performance and evidence like never before. The next generation 10-core GPU, graphics processing unit, with a powerful new neural accelerators, dramatically speeds up the AI tasks. From large language models, this is our LLM, token generation, to generative imagery. And the multi-threaded CPU performance and the faster memory delivers a breakthrough speed for our workflows. That means up to 6.7 times faster against the M1 and 4 times faster against the image generation with the M1. And the iPad Operating System and apps come on top. This is the tour, the workforce. The iPad 26 Operating System introduces stunning new design with liquid glass and game-changing enhancement that put the iPad Pro productivity on a new level. Imagination, intuitive windowing system gives us to create the power and the flexibility than ever before. That's RAM Pro apps. It's play the high-performance games. And it take on the creative projects of any size with an intuitive touch-first experience. That means we have next level productivity. We open more windows at once, resize and rearrange them to away and split the screen into third or quarters. And intensive tasks run behind the scene with the background tasks. And we can easily manage everything that's running with live activities. And it capture and edit smart HDR images, which we can send and up to 4K resolution videos. Open and manipulate large 3D scenes. And it run more complex AI models, all with the Pro apps. And Apple Intelligence works hard, and we take it easy. The iPad Pro is built for Apple Intelligence. Create, communicate, and get things done effortlessly with a groundbreaking privacy protection at every step. That means Apple Intelligence means AI for the rest of us. We do more with the help of Siri and ChatGPT. We explore new visual styles and image playgrounds. We ask questions about photos and documents and leverage the additional expertise. And accelerate our workflows with shortcuts, intelligent actions that can summarize the text, create the images, or tap into Apple Intelligence models. Compare notices in the text and transcription them, summarize the differences, and we can clean up to instantly remove unwanted distractions in our photos, identify the objects and remove it with a tab. Or, for even greater precision, we use our Apple Pencil. And Apple Intelligence is designed to protect at the same time our privacy at every step. But back to the iPad. It comes with an Ultra Retina XDR display. This is the world's most advanced display. The Ultra Retina XDR display is built with groundbreaking tandem OLED technology, which generates amazing brightness, precise contrast, and extreme dynamic range performance. Advanced technology like ProMotion and True Tone gives us a jaw-dropping visual experience, and we can use reference mode for a color-accurate workflows. When 1000 nits, we have a full screen brightness mode. With 1600 nits, peak comes the HDR brightness, and a 2 million or 2 billion in the States to 1 contrast ratio. True Tone for a comfortable viewing and ProMotion for an adaptive 10 up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and of course P3 wide color range. This is designed a powerhouse of portability too. Despite an unbelievable thin and light design, the iPad Pro delivers astonishing power and an all-day battery life for game-changing productivity. And now with the fast charging, we get up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes. Really nice. That means, if we like it, we can get it. And it brings us a lot of more what an iPad can perform until or so far. That means we have there a lot of colors available. 2 of them, we have a nice M5 powerhouse with a nice performance. That means extreme performance by the design. The M5 is built on a 3rd generation 3nm technology, delivering even more performance while maintaining an all-day battery life. And the power efficiency. The next gen CPU includes up to 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores for extraordinary speed, remarkable power, and advanced AI capabilities. The M5 is compared to the previous iPad Pro model 6 times faster than the M1 model. A lot of faster the M4, of course. And AI by the power of M5 is nice, because the M5 neural engine takes an AI and the machine learning on an iPad to the next level. Now we can instantly summarize pages of lecture notes and simplify our everyday tasks throughout the automation. Neural accelerators in the GPU enables the helpful AI features in apps like DaVinci Resolve for iPad and Draw Things, so we can fine-tune our video edits and generate imagery with just a prompt. The AI image generation is much faster, up to 4 times faster than before. And graphics and light speed. The experience more immersive and realistic games, with the fastest GPU performance of the M5, featuring enhanced shader core and 3rd generation ray tracing. The M5 delivers up to 1.6 times faster GPU performance than the M4. For demanding tasks like image editing, the M5 also utilizes dynamic caching to maximize performance in demanding the pro apps and games. The M5 Meteor Engine supports hardware, accelerate, decode, and encode for more power. Efficient capture and playback of the high-resolution videos. We have playback and edit up to 5 streams of 4K ProRes footage. from sophisticated 3D rendering to graphic-heavy post-production, so we can take on advanced workflows at the studio or on the location, on the go. Whoa. That's really cool. And we can make so much with our iPad. Because the iPad Operation System 26 makes the iPad Pro even more capable and intuitive to use. With an all-new powerful windowing system, we can control, organize, and manage our workflow like never before. And with the Apple Intelligence integrated throughout our everyday apps and experience, we can communicate, create, and get things done effortlessly. We will get, and we have apps for all kinds of amazing. The Pro apps unleash the extraordinary things we can do with the iPad Pro. With essential built-in apps on over 1 million apps on the App Store. Designed especially for the iPad, an iPad Operation System is an ideal platform for work, play, and of course, creativity. We transform our iPod into a versatile production studio. Seamlessly connect up to 4 iPhone or iPad devices with live multicam and Final Cut Pro for the iPad to record, edit, and share videos even faster. And AI-powered sessions players in the Logic Pro for an iPad take our feedback to perform on the fly. That's good news, really, what we can make with that nice iPad Pro. And of course, the AI features will be nice. But it's all only possible with a nice Retina XDR display. That's the world's most advanced display because OLED it shines. The Ultra Retina XDR display delivers extraordinary full-screen brightness and unparalleled specifications built on the breakthrough tandem OLED technology. Peak visual performance with that. The color and the luminance of each pixel is controlled down to the sub-millisecond, enabling the next level XDR performance. The Ultra Retina XDR display is even more responsive to content in motion, so movies and videos look true to life. And precision specular highlights convey more cinematic details and accurate reflections of light in every image. So breathtaking HDR landscapes, textures, and tone feels even more vibrant and, of course, realistic. And 2 billion to 1 contrast ratio delivers the deeper blacks for extreme dynamic range. There is an dim point brightness in the stars and incredible detail in low light and shadows. Nano texture, if you like, brings us, in good glass, the brilliant in any light. For high-end color managed workflows for the most demanding ambient lighting environments, precisely attached in nanometer scale, nanotexture glass maintains image quality and contrast while scattering ambient light for even less glare. And of course, it comes to us with the nice materials and designs, the powerhouse of portability. I say it again. Next level performance, iconic design. The iPad Pro combines extreme performance with an ultra sleek design so we can take incredible capability everywhere we go. We create, we get things done and stay connected. The iPad Pro feels like home, no matter where we are. Gorgeous elements all around. The iPad Pro comes in 2 great finishes, silver and space black. The durable enclosure is made of 100% recycled aluminum. And the iPad Pro includes 100% recycled rare earth elements in all magnets and utilities, 100% fiber-based packaging too. And, that it is. We have mics, cameras, and a lot of action. We shoot, we edit, we share all in one device with a pro camera system with a LiDAR scanner, studio quality mics, and 4 speakers. They capture the 4K ProRes video record on a podcast. And we pick the right microphone for each app with the input chooser. We have 12 megapixel wide camera with an adaptive true tone flash and landscape 12 megapixel center stage camera. This puts the front in the center. And we have studio quality mics for great video calls. And we have 4 speaker sound system for rich audio. And of course, we should stay connected. Wi-Fi and cellular. We grab and go connectivity with that. Workflows go wherever we do with the better performance and reliability of Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6 and Thread, all enabled by the N1. This is the new wireless networking chip. The second generation C1X cellular modem supports a faster data speeds and a greater efficiency while remaining the worldwide 5G coverage. So we can securely access files, communicate with the collaborators, and back up data while out and about. That means up to 50% faster cellular data performance. Yeah, that's nice. So you see, the Apple iPad Pro 2025 brings a lot of joy to us and to everyone out there.